Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. I am August Nicole, and y'all guess what? Today I will be collaborating with another YouTuber. Her name is Tacha, and y'all, she is all the way from Boston, and she does hair videos, she does makeup, she does reaction videos, and she even interviewed other YouTubers over there on her channel. So when y'all are finished watching my video, y'all be sure to go over there to Tacha's channel and tell her that August sent you, and y'all go show her some love. And y'all, today we are coming together and spreading the love for Valentine's Day, because we are doing a hair and a makeup video for y'all today, so y'all can get some Valentine ideas. So when y'all get ready to step out with y'all boo, we gonna give y'all all these ideas so y'all can be looking cute and slaying on Valentine's Day. And y'all, today I decided to bring out this Beauty Glazed Color Fusion palette. And if y'all haven't seen me use this palette before, I will link it up here so y'all can go see that video. And I'm going to show y'all this palette one more time, because look, this is the perfect palette to use for Valentine's Day. And I think I'm going to go with like a pink. I don't know, yeah, I haven't decided. I don't know, I might do blue, but you know, we're gonna get into this video, and y'all will just have to see how everything turns out. And like I said, when y'all get done watching my video, y'all be sure to go over to Tacha's channel to show her some love. And y'all, let's get ready to get into this Valentine's Day look. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. This is the whole completed makeup look. And this is the hair. And her name is DRH Lace Yellow. And I got her in the color Sunbright RT Burgundy. And y'all, this burgundy is hitting. Like, do y'all see how beautiful and red she is? But let me get into all the specs of this wig. She is a 4-inch deep hand tied lace part, and she is a lace front wig, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and she is from 06, and it's called the Dream Lace, and she also comes in different colors, and this is how she's looking on the stock card. And she does have like ear to ear lace. She comes with baby hairs, as y'all can see. I tried to do some swoops here and there. And this is the party space. This is how she's looking on the side. This is how she's looking in the back. As y'all can see, y'all get into this color. Don't y'all love this color? I think this is the right color for Valentine's Day, y'all. I am loving her, and she feels a little bit silky, and she feels comfortable on my head. So I would say she's like big head associate. I mean, cause like it's a little snug, but it's not to the point where I can't stand her way. So you big headed girls out there, I think y'all can get away with this, you know, wearing her. Like I said, I really like this color. Does she shade? Yes, she shades. She is a synthetic wig, of course, but I really like her, y'all. I think this is a great wig that you can wear for Valentine's Day, like especially this color. Like if you want to turn some heads, you should go out in this color right here. You know, when you want to go out on a date with your boo, bam, throw this wig on right here, y'all, and y'all will be good to go. But that is all I have for this wig. I don't really have any cons about her. I really like her. I really do, y'all. And like I said, when y'all finish watching my video, don't forget to go over to Shay's channel. Tell her that August sent you, and y'all go find out what kind of look that she came up with, and see what kind of hair that she came out with, you know, for Valentine's Day, because we both over here slaying for y'all Valentine's Day, giving y'all some good ideas. You know, if you feeling stuck or you feeling down about Valentine's Day, you know, just watch our videos as a pick-me-up. And y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.